welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be cleaning my carpet, doing the kids hair, and I'm probably gonna do some laundry and fold it. We'll see how this day goes. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. The kids are in the kitchen eating, and I'm gonna show you what their hair looks like so you can see what I am about to get myself into. But let's just go ahead and get this day started. I'm gonna head over to the kitchen and check on the kiddos. Look at this hair. Oh, brother. This hair. Oh, brother. So we are gonna be tackling this today. You ready to get your hair washed?
No.
No? Okay, guys, so I want to go find LJ. He is napping, so his hair probably won't be done today. We'll tackle that tomorrow. But I want to go find him, and he is napping. And you guys, what in the world? Y'all probably can't even see that. I am going to get my son. It's like pencil markings on the wall. What in the heck? Okay, so while he's napping, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this carpet. It's not too bad. My husband spilled some soda right there. We usually don't eat in here, but he accidentally wasted some soda right there. Then I don't know where that came from, so someone was eating in here right there. And then this spot is new. That happened today. I came in here and it was a pepperoni in the carpet. So you guys, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning the carpet and getting this taken care of. Probably just gonna be able to do this part in the dining room, but I'm gonna stop rambling and get to it.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover.
Hey girl, hey. So anybody who is new to the channel and you are clicking on my video for the very first time, hello. My name is Tanya. I am a wife, a stay-at-home mom of 4, and stepmom to 2. On my channel you can find cleaning motivation, beauty videos, DIYs on occasion, and motherhood. So if you are interested in that, please consider being a part of my YouTube fam bam.
Show fusion. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I thought I was about to start some laundry, honey, but no. My daughter forgot her clothes in the washing machine, and I just thought that she had washed them earlier that day and I was going to throw them in the dryer for her. But no, honey, she forgot them overnight. So I had to rewash them because it smelled like mildew. You guys know the gist. I'm pretty sure you guys have experienced this before. And yes, it is a pain. So I'm just going to start that laundry all over again, and then the next clip I will be folding. I thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Thank you to all my returning subscribers and my new ones for supporting my channel. I am going to let you finish watching this video. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you lovelies in my next one. Bye bye.
No, I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah. I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me,